Hello everyone, myself Vedant, and today is December 17th. So let's start with today's crypto analysis. Firstly, if we see Bitcoin on the daily time frame closed a bullish candle after this move of couple of bearish candles and trying to sustain this level, but it is possible that it might continue downside further in the upcoming days. Okay, so if we see on the 4 hour, it's just this is the supply area which it's just sustaining, and of course it's visible that it's again going down and creating new lows. So on the shorter time frame, it's visible that it just again changed its structure to bearish after this retracement. So it might be possible further downside move could be seen. Uh, Coming on to 1 hour, it's on the lower low pattern again. So yes, this is our major selling area for 1 hour time frame. And if we talk about this area, this is the um, zone we could see for some double top pattern formation on Bitcoin. And if the price taps this level and just reverses, we could plan a trade uh, for selling like this. As I've already marked with, this could be a possible trade like this uh, for Bitcoin. And yes, uh, only selling could be seen for now, and no buying in Bitcoin. Coming on to Ethereum on the daily time frame closed anti-cyclic candle, so there's no body in it. On 4 hour, it's just consolidating uh, in this range. So after this huge down fall, it just started to consolidate in this area. So it is quite possible that it might continue downside further. So as a result, we just took a sell trade right here on Ethereum, and let's see how it goes. Also, you could just plan this trade again if it taps this level, or just retraces back till this zone and again get some confirmation for selling, and you could enter a trade for selling. And Ethereum also, as it's in a lower low pattern formation. So that's it for Ethereum. Coming on to XRP. XRP on the daily time frame closed kind of reversing bullish candle. Seeing on the 4 hour time frame, it's bearish and just broke its previous low on the 4 hour time frame, but its major low is intact for now. And let's see if it breaks this previous low or not. For as my suggestion, it is quite possible that it would break this low for sure, as it's continuing its downtrend. And yes, if we come up to 1 hour time frame, it's just this is a good selling opportunity could be seen here, or also this is also a good area for selling. You could look for this area uh, for the price to tap, and you could enter a trade right away. And yes, no buying setup, as it's in a lower low pattern, so we would be looking for sells on every highs, as we are doing from last couple of days. Okay, coming on to BNB. BNB on the daily time frame closed a good bullish candle, and it's sustaining right in this range. So if we see on the 4 hour time frame, it just crossed its previous low. So again, it's showing somewhat this bearishness on the lower time frames. Also, its previous major low is intact, so uh, it's kind of consolidating in this zone, and it might be possible it might continue downside as its uh, lower low pattern on the 4 hour major trend is bearish only. So yes, as only the thing is the trend is weakening, so um, we are being cautious about the trend. Otherwise, it's just bearish only. Uh, Also coming on to 1 hour time frame, it's completely on a lower low trend. So it's bearish and we are planning for sell on highs, and this was a good setup formed, and but it was too low to sell. So we are looking up for some upside uh, retracement, and we would be selling it afterwards, and or it might come till this level, and then we could look for some sells on BNB. So these are the two levels for selling for now on BNB, and let's look for further. Coming on to Solana on the daily time frame just closed doji or somewhat bullish closing after getting rejection from the downside. But it's an inside candle as the previous doji candle was too big, and this yesterday's candle was too small, and it was just an inside candle formed. So yes, coming on to 4 hour time frame, the price just broke its previous minor low, and its previous major low is intact. So let's see if the price breaks its previous low or not. And again, if we see on the 1 hour time frame, it's it was just consolidating in this area, but if we see, it just broke this major minor low for Solana on 1 hour time frame, which made it be bearish on the 1 hour time frame. So we are looking for sells here. So if we could plan some sells right here, if the price taps this level and just get some good confirmation for selling, we could sell it here and look for some targets for the new low. So that's it for Solana as well. So only selling would be planned for now. Coming on to Dogecoin. Dogecoin on the daily time frame closed bullish, somewhat inside candle more, if we can say, as it's trying to sustain below this previous swing low, and it's creating a new low on the Dogecoin. So it's a good it's a good thing for Dogecoin, as sorry, it's not a good thing for Dogecoin, but it's a good thing for a trendy market, as it's going further in its trend and continuing its trend. So it's good for us. So as we could plan some further trades downside. So this these two are some the these two are good levels for Dogecoin on 1 hour time frame. So we could be looking for some sells here. And yes, that's it for Dogecoin. So let's see for the prices to tap these levels and give some bearish confirmations, and therefore we would be looking for some sells here. So that's all for today. I hope you like the analysis. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for further analysis. Thank you.